Is Bitcoin planning to dump for another negative 8 to 9%? And today we're going to discuss about this, about all the possible scenarios, what could happen in the upcoming days or even hours or even minutes. Because at this very moment, Bitcoin is retesting my ascending trend line. But at first, of course, we're going to discuss about what is going on with the Bitcoin at the current moment, and of course about Ethereum. But right now, if you remember my previous video that we have, it's a lot of trend lines, a lot of everything, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I deleted everything because I have to search for something, I don't know, new, what is going on at the current moment. So I noticed that Bitcoin formed this massive descending channel. Of course, on the weekly time frame, a lot of you guys are saying that this is like a bull flag, but we'll see. I'm always analyzing everything on the daily time frame because all the juice is for me on the daily time frame. Of course, if we're gonna take a look at the volume is not there. There's not enough volume in the market. Of course, on the lower time frames, we can see some kind of like possible divergence, but of course we'll see. But right now, let's just take a look at this descending channel. Multiple touches, 1, 2, 3, 4, let's just say it's a 5, 6 times touched this descending trend line. I mean, on the top of this channel. Boom, every single time we're facing a rejection, because if you remember, I know like 5-7 videos in a row, I always like discussing about this level of rejections. And of course, twice or 3 times we respect this bottom of this channel. Boom, movement to the upside. Let's discuss about our previous analysis. Beautiful descending channel that was broken to the upside. Boom, flip above this 50-day moving average. The setup play out perfectly. And of course, right now on the lower time frame, Bitcoin still looks bullish a little bit, but of course it looks scary at the same time because it's about to break down through this ascending trend line. Higher lows, higher highs, and it's about, I don't know, it could happen any moment right now. So let's just take a look at this and let's just navigate by looking at this ascending trend line. If we will navigate, of course, according to the 50-day moving average, this, I don't know, we can call it like a trend line, or it acts like a support and resistance for those who don't know. So look at every single time we flip above, or we moving to the upside, or if we below this 50-day moving average, there's a probability to see a movement, I mean to expect a drawdown. All right, so right now, what's my expectations for the Bitcoin? I do believe that because there's still a lot of time left during of the summer, and according to my, I don't know, according to my math, or like comparing previous cycles, we still have a lot of time to see that another insane rally to the up. That's what I believe. I believe in that second rally. I mean, the second bull rally. So my expectations right now, Bitcoin, of course, can respect this trend line again, ascending trend line, and move to the upside. Break through this channel, boom, insane rally to the upside. But of course, there's a probability right now. There's a huge chance. I believe there's a huge chance to see a breakdown, boom, movement to the downside. Beautifully can connect with this 50-day moving average. And if we're going to see a breakdown through this 50-day moving average that acts as a support right now, it's become our resistance. Another movement to the downside is a possible scenario. And we're going to retest a mid-range of this channel. Of course, let me just grab my let's just take a look on, I don't know why I just want to look on those EMAs. Yep, the 200-day moving average can be respected as well. If it goes to the upside and the price is gonna go to the downside, it can connect beautifully. Then of course, movement to the upside respects this and gonna act as a support, because my next support is at this level. Where's my everything is connected. You see, this is where the price is respected the most. This is my next support zone, would be at this like 60-ish, $60,000 per Bitcoin. Look how beautifully everywhere, like at this level, prices respect boom, somewhere around here. So everything is like connected. We'll see. Waiting for the breakdown because that's what I believe. I told you guys in my, I don't know, 2 videos in a row that keep an eye on this ascending trend line. Of course, let me just quickly delete everything. These are my thoughts. We're like discussing all the possible scenarios. What could happen for the Bitcoin in the upcoming days. All right, on the 12-hour time frame, it's almost breaking through this. Through this ascending trend line. Boom, breakout, and then retest this mid-range. But of course, we'll see. I'm gonna be honest, you guys. I'm only looking for longs because here's the thing. If I'm bullish on something, for example, I'm accumulating and buying all those coins, I mean, I cannot short it. Like, mentally, I cannot short it because I'm always looking for long opportunities. Maybe another long opportunity, I'll update you guys. I mean, join my trading channel. There's a link down below. It's absolutely free. Whatever I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna update you. So, yeah. Oh, sorry. There's a big one. Where's, All right. So, yeah, that would be my scenario, and to look for long opportunities from here. But of course, we don't know that. If this support won't hold us, there's also a probability to see, I don't know, $52,000 per Bitcoin again. We don't know that. We're only speculating on things. So all the possible scenarios, expecting, boom, a breakdown to retest this mid-range of this channel, retest, and hoping that this support where the price is respected the most holds Bitcoin price. I mean, bounces back from here, boom, movement to the upside. But of course, if this support won't hold us, we can experience a bigger drawdown, even more than like 8 to 9%. That could be from this exactly same, well, let me just be more accurate. That would be like negative 70%. All right, so let me just quickly delete that. Let's jump and let's take a look what is up with Ethereum. All right, Ethereum, nothing new. A little bit for me. Let me just quickly delete those icons. Ethereum a little bit looks clear to me, but still respects this golden zone. Touched another second time. Look how prices beautifully respect this golden zone. Boom, of course, we took that liquidity out. Boom, movement to the upside. Respect. Also, a beautifully connected ascending trend line. So after the breakdown, there's a probability for us to see movement to the downside as well. But who knows? Maybe we're going to respect this trend line all over again. Boom, movement to the upside. Break through this golden zone because I don't know, Ethereum doesn't give a at this golden zone, and boom, movement to the upside into the all-time high territories. But I don't know that. I believe we still, like I mentioned before, according to my, I don't know if I'm comparing my all the previous cycles with this one. So I believe we have a lot of time to still accumulate some more to prepare for another rally. So the pullbacks and the movement to the downside, all the drawdowns are inevitable. I mean, at this point. So let me just quickly delete this, because if we were talking about this, my new tool, this is my new tool. If we are comparing Bitcoin's descending channel, right now it's breaking down through this ascending trend line. Let's just take a look. If you remember my previous one, it's the old one. Look at this one. This is a NASDAQ on the 12-hour or on the daily time frame. Doesn't matter, actually. I'm just zoom in. Boom. Massive descending channel. Boom. Breakout. All ripped all the way to the upside. Of another one. Form. Massive descending channel after the breakout. Movement to the upside. Of course, beautiful trend line that was respected. And after the breakdown, boom, another, I don't know, it's not another, but I mean, the stock market experienced a massive drawdown. Well, at this point, I mean, I was like here. I wasn't trading, I was just only analyzing and trying to combine Bitcoin, everything like stock market prices and the Bitcoin. I was a little bit afraid that everything is in extremely overbought territories. So, but still possible. I mean, I was like looking at the possible divergence, movement to the upside. Boom. So yeah, that was a little bit scary because everything was in an extremely overbought territory. Which, when it comes to an overbought territory, sometimes we can see a major crashes. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's just take a look at the Bitcoin one more time. Yeah, this trend line is, we'll see how this candle, how this candle plays out. I mean, how it's gonna close it. But I do believe that we're gonna see a breakdown. Boom, movement to the downside. Again, I'm just gonna repeat everything. Boom. And like this, if this support will hold us, then it's okay. But if it's not, I mean, in total, we can experience a 20% drawdown. What could happen to the altcoins? I mean, I'm scared right now because I'm invested a lot, but yeah, gold, diamond hands till the next rally, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. Keep an eye on this ascending trend line. If you want, you can open a short position right away. Of course, I didn't catch this movement at the top of this channel because I didn't notice that we are forming this descending channel. Of course, there's plenty of trades on the altcoins if you want to do that. So I'm just gonna take a look what is up with the altcoins. And yeah, my expectations from here to open a short position, that would be awesome if there would be a wick, then moving way back, all the way back inside, above this ascending trend line, and to retest this supply zone and movement from here. That would be a perfect scenario, but I don't know that. I'm just see that we're already like breaking down through this ascending trend line. So yeah, keep an eye on this one. This is my talk and not a warning, but my point of view. And I'm just talking with the investors right now. This is a bigger time frame, so for those who are taking trades with leverage, that is a little bit, yeah, it's a little bit more difficult, but yeah, we'll see. So my expectations for the Bitcoin to see another 9-8% drawdown. But yeah, we'll see. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm right. Maybe we're gonna see boom, movement to the upside, break through this descending channel, and that would be it. And we're gonna go to that sweet 100K per Bitcoin. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't be greedy. Stay safe. Always use your stop loss. Risk everything what you can, afford to lose, because in this game the market could eat you alive. So yeah, enjoy a week. Bye bye.